right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara, and we are here to help you know more and drink better. And we're here, part two of the Amaro Master Class. A Merry Christmas to you if you're celebrating it. Happy holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas but are enjoying the holiday season. And what better way to enjoy Christmas than with some Amaro? But more importantly, in last episode we did some Amaro from Italy, which is where Amaro, comes from. But there are a lot of producers in America that are doing Amaro, and in this case I've got one from Brooklyn and one from Boston. And frankly, some of the Amari that are coming out of the U.S. are just stunningly delicious. We're going to start here with this Amaro from St. Agrestis distillery in Brooklyn. And you know what? I was saying to myself, I don't know if I want to buy a whole bottle. So they had this bottle and I was like, got to do it. I haven't had this one yet. I am actually opening it fresh, as you can see. Got a little beer tab to it. That's fun. We're going to see how this guy tastes. Now, I have had the St. Agrestis Inferno bitters. Had that at one of my favorite restaurants here in Providence called New Rivers, where they are just amazing food and food and cocktails. Great wine too. The Inferno bitters I liked a lot. Nice and spicy, but easy to drink at the end of a meal. So I figured this guy worth a try. So let's see what we get. It's reminiscent of some Italian Amari that I've had. I'm gonna say it's very cola and sort of root beer heavy are the main notes I get on the nose. I'm also getting, maybe I'll call it molasses. There's a sweetness that's coming up. So, but it's sweetness separate from the cola and the root beer. A lot of warm spices too. This is a lot going on in this Amaro. So this has a lot of components of Christmas cookies. A lot of clove. So maybe I did smell a clove on the nose, but I was not necessarily struck by something that immediately went to clove, right? There was cola, root beer, some spices, some molasses type of stuff. But on the palate, 100% clove. It's perfect for the season. Not what I didn't expect it to turn into, clovey in nature. If you don't like cloves, you're not gonna like this. But if you like cloves, or even if you're okay with cloves, give this a try. So a good start on the Amaro from America. This book has quite a few Amaros from America listed. We're going to get into the Bully Boy Amaro from Boston, and then maybe we'll discuss some others that are available. So this guy is again Bully Boy Distillers, Boston. There's a lot of citrusy notes. There's a lot of rhubarb in here, as part of the ingredients. And Bully Boy does a lot of good. I've had a lot of their whiskeys. Really enjoy what they do with their whiskeys. So I saw this on the shelf, and I was like, makes a lot of sense. I can see this working out. So I gave it a try. Full disclosure, I've liked what I've seen thus far, and again, this is very good in cocktails. Again, anything that's whiskey based will generally play well with this particular Amaro. So when I smell this, I immediately get like an orange peel. There's some allspice. I mean, that's kind of a nice combination. Warm. orange peel, allspice, a touch of, I guess a touch of grapefruit. So this guy is extremely like light on the palate, but not in a bad way. So what I mean by that is like there's the Amaro that we tried in the last episode. This one, it's while they're not heavy, they're they're there. Like this one is almost effortless. I would say it's a little more elegant of an Amaro than any of the others we've tried so far. There's a touch of sweetness, even though there's plenty of bitterness. So it has a nice balance. I was saying Amaro can be had, it's typically thought of as a digestif, as an after dinner drink, but this one I think would be perfect, before a meal, right? A little, either by itself, on its own, neat, in a little soda, a little spritz, a little lemon twist, grapefruit twist. Good, such great work, the Bully Boy Distillery. I gotta see if I can get them on the channel. I think one of my friends might know the brothers who operate this place. Gotta reach out to them. Great stuff. So I think what's the takeaway from part 2 of this masterclass is don't just limit yourself to Amaro from Italy. America especially is doing great things. We mentioned Jägermeister in the other video. There's a lot of there are a lot of similar Amaro type spirits from other areas of the world. Maybe we'll explore those one day, but again, not in my wheelhouse just yet. American Amaro is kind of where it's at. So Saint Agrestis, Bully Boy, Brovo, Don Ciccio and Fili in Washington, D.C., and there's one more that I'm going to put in the show notes that for some reason is not coming to mind. I've been doing that a lot lately. Is it because I turned 51? Am I just getting old? Is my brain starting to fail me? I don't know. But I hope you're liking this stuff, liking the little change of pace, getting out of the wine world. I'll see you for part 3. Cheers.